If you've ever felt robbed paying excessive sales tax, registration fees, dealing with inspections, or the DMV nightmare, then give me just a few minutes to explain how we can help. We've helped thousands of people across the US get registered no matter what vehicle they own or what state they live in. That's because at zero tax tags, we actually register you out of state in Montana. Don't worry, you don't actually have to live there in order to register there. And yes, it's 100% legal. See, we help people just like yourselves set up what's called an asset holding LLC. There's no actual business you need to run, and it doesn't incur any expenses or generate any revenue. It's simply an entity that we set up which allows you to meet the residency requirements without relocating. Pretty cool, right? Now, if you're wondering why Montana, well, let me explain. First, in the state of Montana, there is zero sales tax. For example, if you bought an SUV that was $40,000 in a state with 7% sales tax, you would pay an extra $2,800 in sales tax. With that same $40,000 SUV registered under your Montana LLC, you would pay $0. Additionally, Montana doesn't require inspections or emissions testing, saving you even more time and money. You'll even get a permanent registration for your car, truck, SUV, or RV that's older than 11 years old. And any motorcycle, ATV, UTV, dirt bike, boat, or trailer automatically gets a permanent registration. Permanent meaning it never has to be renewed. No yearly registration fees or paperwork ever again. So as you can see from a financial and time-saving perspective, the benefits are pretty clear. But if you're still thinking that setting up an LLC may sound unfamiliar or complicated, well, that's exactly why our service exists. As your registered agent, we're able to file for this LLC for you. You simply tell us your desired LLC name and a few details about your vehicle. From there, we'll file with the Montana Secretary of State for you and send you a simple checklist of any items you may need to provide us, such as title, bill of sale, or your most recent transaction. Once we collect that information, we register your vehicle with the DMV for you, so you never have to deal with them at all. And from then, we'll ship you your plates and your registration. And shortly after, the state will print your title and we'll forward that over to you as well. Oh, and by the way, we can even make off-road vehicles fully street legal and may even be able to help if you're missing a title for your vehicle. So imagine skipping the DMV line forever, saving thousands up front and knowing your registration is locked in for life, all handled for you in just a few clicks. If you're ready to make that a reality, tap the button below to get started and drive smarter starting today.